All right, today we're breaking down the labor relations process. Let's jump right in.
So let's start with the big question. Why do workers even decide to form a union?
Well, a union basically acts as one single voice for workers when they talk with their employer.
Unions really stress key benefits like higher pay and job security to attract new members.
You've got this three-part structure, starting with your local unions right at the base.
Okay, so how does a workplace actually get unionized? It all starts with an organizing drive.
This whole process follows a strict series of steps, all overseen by the National Labor Relations Board.
First things first, there's initial contact, followed by a push to get authorization cards signed.
And here's the key number. They need cards from 30% of employees to even petition for an election.
Once they hit that 30% mark, the union files a petition with the NLRB.
Then it's campaign time. Both sides make their case before workers cast their secret ballots.
If a majority votes yes, the union is in, and that's when the real work begins, collective bargaining.
So, collective bargaining, it's just the official process for negotiating that labor agreement.
And you can see here, it's a real back and forth of proposals and compromises to get to a contract.
So you have the union side putting forward proposals and the management side making counterproposals.
Eventually, they reach a tentative deal, but it's not final until the members vote to approve it.
The final contract covers all the big stuff: union security, wages, benefits, and job security.
Here's a great example. A contract could change layoffs from a management call to a seniority rule.
So, the result is a legally binding agreement that governs the entire workplace.
Which brings us to a final question. What do you think is the biggest issue on the table today?